Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a credit note here in Zoho Books. Alright, so first up, under sales right here in the left panel, when you go ahead over to credit notes, you can just click on one with a checkbox. And here you have the delete button. If you want to delete all, well, select all right here besides the date where you have the checkbox as well. Just hit on delete. Okay, hit on OK. Now, if you want to delete it from an invoice, let's say this one right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And as you can see here we have credits applied option. When you click on it, here we have it. And as you can see, you can just easily click on the delete button right here, hit on OK, and you're good to go. That's basically it. That's how easy it is to delete a credit note here in Zoho Books. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.